students. Welcome to SHIVAJI Institution's online classes. Today I am going to start exercise 9F, which is based on circle. The circle is drawn with the help of when we tracing a circular path, it forms circle, and the point from which we draw the circle by taking some line segment, some radius, and draw the circle. This point is known as center of the circle, and the distance from center to the boundary of the circle is known as radius. Okay, and the distance from one point of the circle to the other point of the circle boundary, which is passing through its center, is known as its diameter. Okay, so diameter and radius, center, diameter, radius, center, diameter, and now chord. Chord is also the line segment joining the 2 points on the circle. Okay, here in the given figure, DE is the chord. AB is also the chord, but AB is the diameter also. Okay, and you can say AB is the longest diameter of the circle. AB is the longest diameter of the circle. Clear? Now let's see. So DE is the chord. Now circumference. What is circumference? The boundary of the circle. The boundary. So I hope in the given figure you have understand that OC is the radius, OB is also radius, and O is also radius. Okay, and the AB is diameter because AB passing through its center of the circle. That's why it is called diameter. And the line having 2 endpoints on the circle is known as chord. AB is also chord, but AB is the longest chord and it passing through its center. Now let's see circumference. What is circumference? Circumference. What is circumference? The boundary of the circle. The boundary of the circle, or you can say the path of the circle. Boundary of the circle is called the circumference. Okay, it's called the circumference. So students, now let's see the exercise. So these are the terms related to the circle, where OC is the radius, AB is the diameter, AB is diameter, D is chord, and O is the center. O is center of the circle. Okay, AB is diameter, OC is radius, and DE is DE chord. Clear? So students, let's see the exercise 9F. See the first question. Draw 3 circles using 3 different circular objects. So you can draw the circle using any 3 circular objects which is in your home. Okay. Draw 3 circles of different radius using a compass. You can draw the 3 circles by using compass. I hope you have compass. So you can draw with the help of compass. You can use the radius like 3 cm, like 4 cm, and the third one is 5 cm. So you can draw the using these 3 radius circle: 3 cm, 5 cm, and then 4 cm. Okay, using 4 cm. Clear? So that that type of circles you have to draw in your notebook. Okay, students. So let's see. Third question number. In third question number, you have to label the diagram. In the given figure, the circle is given, and just like this, and you can clearly see the OC is the radius, AB, the line segment joining the boundary of the circle. The 2 points are in the boundary of the circle, which is passing through its center, is known as diameter, and DE is the chord, and O is the center of the circle, and OC is the radius. Clear, students? Now, name the parts of the given circle. In the question number 4, this is the question number 3 and question number 4. In question number 4, the circle is given, and in question number 4, O is AB, okay, DC, and OP. So we have to tell center. So what is center? Center is O. Okay, students. And second radius. Radius. Two radius you have to tell. Two name of the radius. Three radius. Three name of the radius you have to tell in the given figure. And third is diameter. And fourth one is chords. Okay. So let's see diameter and chord. So center is O, radii is OA, OP, and OB. Clear, friends? The distance from the center to the boundary of the circle is known as radius. So there are three radius: OA, OP, and OB. So you can write here OA, OP, and OB. Now diameter passing through its center, and from one end to other end, it means AB. And last one, chord. So chord is DC. But here we have to mention chords. It means more than one. So DC is the chord and AB is also chord, but AB is the longest chord. Okay, because the diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Now in B number, find the radius of the circle whose diameter is. Now let's see question number B. For your kind information, diameter of any circle is twice of its radius. Clear, friends? Or you can say radius is half of diameter. Clear? Radius is half of its diameter. So diameter is twice of radius, or you can say radius is half of diameter. So students, this is done. Diameter. Now let's see the B number. In question number B, radius. Find the radius of the circle whose diameter. Diameter is given. Diameter is 8 cm. So what will be the radius? Radius is equal to diameter, half of diameter. So it comes 8 upon 2. It comes 4 cm. Okay. So just like this, you have to do the rest. Second, I will tell you one more. Fourth number, the diameter is 4 cm. So what will be the radius? So radius will be half of 4, which is 2 cm. Okay, students? This is 2 cm. Now, this is the B number. Now let's see C part of it. Find the diameter of the circle whose radius is diameter. You have to find diameter. So diameter is equal to twice of radius. So radius is 5 cm it means it comes 10 centimeter. Again, diameter is, you have to find diameter. Diameter is equal to twice of radius, and the radius is 9 centimeter. So it becomes 18 centimeter. Clear, friends? So this is the method how to find diameter if radius is given. And this relation is important, so you have to keep remember it. Now, using tracing paper, find the center of the following circles. So this is the practical work, and E number, complete the following table. So you can, using this relation, you can do the question number E, and in fill in the blanks, a diameter of a circle passes through the center of the circle. In first number, fill in the blanks में first number में क्या fill करेंगे? Center, because the diameter of the circle passes through its center. The distance around the circle is called its circumference. Okay? Distance बोल लीजिए या उसी को क्या बोलते हैं? Distance around बोलिए, circumference को इधर distance around बोल सकते हैं या फिर क्या बोल सकते हैं? Boundary of the circle. Okay? तो boundary of the circle या फिर बोलिए उसका distance क्या होगा? Circumference. The length of the radius of the circle, is dash the length of its diameter, half of, because the radius is half of its diameter. Diameter is also the chord of a circle. मैंने बताया अभी आपको कि AB is the diameter and diameter is the longest chord of the circle. So in fourth number of fill in the blanks, chord you have to fill. Fifth number, the line segment that joins 2 points on a circle. 2 points on a circle is called a dash of the circle. 2 points on a circle is called a chord. इसी सर्कल में 2 एंड पॉइंट्स को ज्वाइन करने वाले लाइन सेगमेंट को क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? कॉर्ड बोलते हैं. यहाँ पर DE भी कॉर्ड है, AB भी कॉर्ड है, but AB is passing through its center, so it also called the diameter. Clear? Now we'll start a new exercise 9G, which is based on symmetrical lines. Okay, students. So let's see. Now let's see exercise 9G, symmetry line. Okay, symmetry. Okay. What is symmetry? The dotted line which divides the figure into 2 equal parts is called its line of symmetry. This is called its line of symmetry. So here is line of symmetry. See, in English alphabet letter B, one line of symmetry can be drawn. Okay. In alphabet D, we can draw one line of symmetry. In alphabet E, we can draw one line of symmetry. And what is line of symmetry? The dotted line which divides the figure into 2 equal parts. Okay. So see, there is 2 equal parts now. When we this is E. If we divide E from this point, so it can be shown. It shows like equal. See, this part upper and lower part is just like same. So that's why this dotted line is known as line of symmetry. Okay. Now see, in letter M, we can draw one line of symmetry, because from line of symmetry, this part and this part is both looking like same. And in H, English alphabet H, we can draw 2 symmetry lines. one is horizontal and one is vertical. In I letter we can draw both vertical and horizontal symmetry lines. In circle we can draw two symmetry lines, vertical and horizontal. Okay. And we can draw one more. If we draw it from like this slanting, then it is also symmetry lines. So in circle we can draw more than two symmetry lines. In letter X we draw two symmetry lines. One is vertical and second is horizontal. Okay. So guys, this is known as the symmetry, line of symmetry. Clear? So exercise 19, question number 1. Question number A, B and C is based on line of symmetry. I have told you what is the line of symmetry. The dotted line which divides the figure into two equal parts is called its line of symmetry. Okay? In question number B and C, you have to draw the line of symmetry. Clear? Now see. Draw line of symmetry. I am going to tell you the C number of exercise 9G. Heart shape is there. So how many lines of symmetry can be drawn? Only one line of symmetry can be drawn, like vertical line. Okay, vertical line of symmetry can be drawn in heart shape. So this is the line of symmetry because they both parts looking like same. If two circles are there, okay, so we can draw like this line of symmetry. Okay, so this is, and one more line of symmetry can be drawn like this horizontal. Yes, friends, line of symmetry in oval shape. We can draw two lines of symmetry, one is vertical and the other is horizontal. And in cone shape, we draw only one line of symmetry. We can draw only one line of symmetry, like vertical one. This is the vertical line of symmetry. Okay. In rest, in 6th number, we also can draw the line of symmetry, which is the figure like this. Like this. So in it we also can draw the line of symmetry, vertical line of symmetry. Okay. So these are the figures, and in which we can draw the line of symmetry. In heart shape we can draw only one line of symmetry. In this figure we can draw two lines of symmetry. In oval shape we can draw two lines of symmetry. One is vertical and one is horizontal. In cone and semicircle we can draw one line of symmetry. And this figure we can draw one line of symmetry. Okay. So students, you have to do the rest questions yourself. Now I am going to tell you the one more thing in this exercise, reflection. What is reflection? Let's see about the reflection. Now let's see the reflection. What is reflection? The right side of the image will appear as the left, and the left side of the image will appear as right side. Okay, it means the mirror image. The mirror image of any object is called the reflection of its. Okay, when we stand in front of the mirror, so we see our reflection in the mirror. So just like here I given you some examples, let's see. Suppose this is a mirror, dotted line is the mirror, and here we put alphabet P. So its reflection will appears like this. Okay, so its reflection is appear like this. So this is called the reflection of the, this is called the reflection. Okay, the right side of the image is, see, the right side of the image will appear as the left side, and left side of the image will appear as the right side. Same in this figure, mirror, we have drawn mirror here, and this figure, and you can clearly see the mirror image of its. Okay, students. So the mirror image is the image of reflection. Okay, clear? Mirror image is called the reflection of the object. Or you can say the reflection is called the mirror image. So students, in F and G number of your book, at page number 140, you have to draw the reflection of the given questions. I am going to tell you one more. You have to draw a mirror. See the question number F, in which you have to draw the mirror of letter B. So this is the mirror, and if the letter B is appeared in front of the mirror, then its image, and keep remember that the distance of the object from the mirror is equal to the distance of the image from the mirror. Okay, जितना ऑब्जेक्ट का डिस्टेंस मिरर से होगा उतना ही इमेज का डिस्टेंस मिरर से होगा. Okay, so you have to draw, and it appears like this. So this is the reflection of letter B. This is the reflection of letter B. Clear? This is the reflection of letter B. This is the reflection of letter B. Okay, students. So you have to do the exercise 140. Rest questions you have to do it in homework. Okay, students. Thank you.